Look at this. This is the New York transmission factory. The whole park spans 150,000 square meters.
BRD Group was responsibility for the entire internal wall design and construction. From the design drawing to the installation of the last panel, we took care of everything.
The original plan was to complete it in 6 months.
But actually, we were given only 4 months. That's a huge challenge.
The installation of such panel was super quick. After we produced them in the factory, we transferred them directly to the site.
Under our engineer's guidance, we finished the installation fast, saving 2 months in the process.
In the end, we finished the big project within 4 months. That's what we called Chinese speed.
We look forward to creating more miracles with more partners.